On a remote ridge, a seasoned guide teaches a student to read the land instead of counting on gear. They map wind by herbs, watch cloud shadows, and predict rain with simple clues. They then build a lane shelter from fallen branches, covering site choice and safety. At dusk they practice signaling with a mirror and whistle, stressing timing and visibility. The lesson ends with a calm reminder that true education in nature grows from patience and practice. No screens, no shortcuts, just steady observation and respectful curiosity.